In you go. Good job.
Oh, that's a lot, baby.
I know. I'm so doing laundry tonight.
Yeah.
Yummy, huh? Bite them with your choppers.
Good job. Yay.
There's one sticky kid.
Oh, yeah, he's going to be extremely sticky after this is over.
Oh, good job. You put it back in the bowl. You want some more? You want a drink?
You might be full after you just poked down all those. That was a lot of puffs and such. But he did seem excited about getting the food.
Mm-hmm.
I think the bottle was covering that.
That was so cute.
It was.
Here you go. Turn it this way. Look. Turn it up. There you go. You got it?
Don't you like pears?
He loves pears.
I thought he loved pears. But he's giving it the salt and vinegar treatment.
Well, it's the first time we've ever really handed him a spoon.
Yeah.
He's still trying to figure out the implement. Mmm.
You try it with your right hand now. It's a different texture.
Oh. You're goofy.
You are goofy.
That's what we get for buying soft spoons. He thinks they're chew toys. You're welcome. Hey.